In the realm of personal and business finance, especially within the United States, you often hear the term ACH payment. It's a cornerstone of how money moves electronically, silently powering everything from your direct deposit paycheck to your recurring utility bills. As a finance expert, I frequently encounter questions about how modern financial services, like Wise, formerly TransferWise, integrate with these established systems. So, let's dive into whether Wise accepts ACH payments and what that means for you. What exactly is an ACH payment? Before we tackle Wise, it's essential to understand what an ACH payment is. ACH stands for Automated Clearinghouse. It's an electronic network for financial transactions in the United States, managed by NACHA, National Automated Clearinghouse Association. Think of it as a highly efficient batch processing system for moving money between bank accounts. Unlike a wire transfer, which is typically a real-time, one-off, and often more expensive transaction, ACH payments are processed in batches throughout the day. This makes them cost-effective. ACH transfers are generally much cheaper or even free compared to wire transfers. Convenient. They're perfect for recurring payments like salaries, mortgage payments, or subscriptions. Reliable. The system is highly secure and widely used across all U.S. banks and credit unions. 2 types. ACH credits. When you push money from your account to another, e.g., direct deposit of your salary. ACH debits. When someone pulls money from your account with your authorization, e.g., a bill payment. Now that we have a clear understanding of ACH, let's connect it to Wise. Wise and ACH. A seamless connection. The short answer is yes. Wise absolutely accepts and facilitates ACH payments, particularly for its US dollar, USD, balances. This is a crucial feature that makes Wise incredibly convenient for anyone in the United States dealing with international money or simply looking for an alternative way to manage their US dollars. Here's how Wise integrates with the ACH network, both for sending and receiving money. Receiving ACH payments with Wise. One of the most significant benefits of having a Wise multi-currency account, especially if you have a USD balance, is that Wise provides you with local US bank account details. These details typically include a unique account number, an ACH routing number, which is different from a wire routing number. This means you can receive money via ACH directly into your Wise USD balance, just as if you had a traditional US bank account. This is incredibly useful for receiving your salary or pension. If your employer or pension provider uses direct deposit, which is typically an ACH credit, they can send funds directly to your Wise USD account details. Getting paid by US clients. Freelancers, contractors, and businesses with US clients can provide their Wise USD account details to receive payments. This avoids international wire fees for the sender and ensures you receive the exact amount without hidden bank markups. Receiving payments from platforms. Many online platforms, like Stripe, PayPal, or gig economy platforms, often pay out via ACH. You can link your Wise USD details to these platforms to receive your earnings. Friends and family. Anyone in the US can send you money directly to your Wise USD account via ACH from their US bank, often with no fee for them. How to receive an ACH payment with Wise. Open a USD balance. If you haven't already, open a USD balance within your Wise multi-currency account. Get account details. Go to your USD balance and click on Get Account Details. Wise will provide you with your unique account number and ACH routing number. Share details. Provide these details to the person or company sending you the ACH payment. They will use these just like they would any other US bank account details. Funds arrive. The payment will be credited to your Wise USD balance, usually within 1 to 3 business days, as is typical for ACH transfers. Wise usually charges no fee for receiving ACH payments. Sending money with ACH via Wise. Wise also allows you to fund your international money transfers using an ACH payment from your linked US bank account. When you set up a transfer on Wise and you're sending from a USD balance or converting from USD, you'll often have the option to pay via ACH, also known as bank debit or direct debit in some contexts. This method is generally the most cost-effective way to send money through Wise from your US bank account. Instead of initiating a costly wire transfer from your bank to Wise, you authorize Wise to pull the funds from your bank via ACH.